Dr. Ross, what about insurance companies marking up prescription drugs in Trump RX? Are they still going to continue to do that? Because they're already marking up and making a fortune on health care, but you're trying to get prescription costs down, which has gone through the crazy here. Why are they still allowed to mark these up?
Well, we think the pricing on Trump RX, which is going to be the best in the world, it will allow the employers and individuals, now that they know what things could cost, to go for those prices. So, for example, the weight loss drugs, the GLP-1 drugs, which historically were costing over $1,200 per injection, those prices now are more like $200. Now, with that price drop, anyone who's paying cash can get access to that. Anyone on Medicare gets it for just $50. Medicaid gets it for free. So we get our people who are most vulnerable taken care of. But then the commercial insurance companies that cover the people who are working in America, building value in America, are going to quickly start pushing for those same prices. And we're already seeing that pressure.
You know, if you look at what Biden did, and I'm really focused here on prescription drugs because I think you got to fix that before you're going to really get to the bottom of Obamacare. But through massive legislation that they passed, basically the way they did drug reimbursement didn't make any sense. It hurts doctors, it hurts cancer clinics, and especially patients. Is there anything that the administration or Congress can do to just fix that one piece of it without a massive battle?
I think that's tough, John. I mean, that ship has sailed. It takes 15 of the highest paying drugs in the country and allows negotiations around them. But at this point, with Congress so split and divided, it's hard to go back and revisit many of these things. But I can say something, John. It was interesting watching this week when I was in Davos with the president as part of the delegation, and I witnessed people hear him for the first time. Folks who heard about his reports on news or journalist perspectives on what he's saying, when he actually started explaining some of these drug pricing issues, for example, the average person in the audience started nodding their head. And the real message he was giving Europe is, what's good for America will be good for you.
Probably wondering why so many billionaires don't pay any taxes, and we do. That's because they have the experts to read their tax code. Tax Engineered Services, Julio Gonzalez. Brilliant guy, save me and Ann thousands of dollars by taking advantage legally of the tax code, things that you'll never know. And he only gets paid on taking a percentage of what he saves you. It is a win-win, no-lose situation. And right now, you can get his free book. All you have to do is text the word Y to 26786. That's WHYY 26786.